Once again presenting to you our male candidate number 2. This is kind of very fulfilling to see, at the same time very exciting because we are being a witness of their scores. Judges, Escorno, Show Mo!